Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix screenshots not saving in your pictures folders in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together. Again, Windows and R key together in your keyboard so that this window will appear. Here you need to type regedit all in lowercase, then click on OK to proceed. The moment you click on that, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you will be redirected to the registry and editor. Now, I'll be pasting a command. Don't worry because I'll be pasting this in the description box below. So that you will be redirected here at the user shell folders. Simply edit this. Okay, so let me just delete this so that you can follow Control V, then click enter. So in that manner, you have just successfully redirected here at the user shell folders. Now, the next step that you need to do is select the user shell folders, do a right click and go with new and string value. Okay. So here in the new value, we need to rename this in this command. Okay. So just simply copy this in the description box below, or you can take a note of this, or simply post this video to take a note of this. Okay, let's rename this Control V and then click enter. Okay, so once done, let's edit the value name. Okay, this by this. Okay, let me just copy this, double tap, and in that manner you are able to edit your value data, then Control V to paste and click on OK. So in that manner you have just successfully fixed your problem. It says here the data, pictures, and screenshots. Okay, so hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.